Using the Microsoft Authenticator app is a simple way to enhance the security of your online accounts. So once set up, the app is going to generate time-sensitive codes that you use in addition to logging in with your passwords. So after installing the app and linking your accounts, open the app to see a list of connected services. So when you attempt to log into a service that's linked to the app, you're going to enter your username and password as usual. After that, the service will prompt you for a verification code. So you open up Microsoft Authenticator and you're going to see a list of accounts along with a code next to each one. The code will change every 30 seconds for added security. Now to use the code, you simply enter one associated with the service that you're logging into. Once entered, you're going to gain access to your account. Now that's going to complete the authentication process. So in some cases, the app will also allow you to approve or deny login attempts directly within the app, which is useful for services that offer push notifications. The app also supports backup and recovery options. So if you need to get a new phone or need to reinstall the app, you can easily restore accounts from a backup, keeping your security intact.